Workplace communication can be made simple and efficient with the help of digital technology. What can you do to make sure you are getting the most out of your workplace communication technology? If you were suddenly presented with the option to work remotely, would you currently be prepared to do so? Learn how to take full advantage of the features and benefits of communication technology with our course, Using Workplace Communication Technology. This course will help you use video chat more efficiently in the workplace by learning about features such as whiteboarding and webinars. Prepare for the possibility of remote work by learning its benefits for both employees and employers. Communicate more clearly at work by using editing software and communication platforms. Digital technology can make workplace communication much easier, but only if you know how to use it fully. Ensure you are using workplace communication technology to its fullest with Using Workplace Technology.